Caterpillar 6060 comes in 10th place. The smallest excavator in the top 10 is an impressive 15.9 meters tall and weighs 570 tons. Its engine power, 3045 HP. A huge thing, but it can do even more. In 9th place is the Liebherr R9800, with a height of 16.2 meters and an incredible weight of 810 tons. Its bucket holds 45 cubic meters. That's the equivalent of the volume of 400 conventional bathtubs. Eighth place goes to the Liebherr 996 billion rand. At 672 tons, it is significantly lighter than the R9800, but at 16.6 meters, it is slightly larger. Its more than 3000 HP make the 996 billion rand a real powerhouse. The Komatsu PC8000-6 front shovel excavator weighs 752 tons and is the 7th largest excavator in the world. At just under 17 meters, the Japanese machine is about twice the size of a normal single-family home. The X8000-6 is Hitachi's heaviest excavator. At 19 meters and 837 tons, it ranks 6th. The Japanese monster's tank holds 14,900 liters, the equivalent of filling up with 40 liters of fuel every day for a year. At 19.7 meters, it is the giant among hydraulic excavators and comes in 5th place. The X5600-6 mining excavator from Hitachi is powered by a 50-liter engine with 1,453 HP. In 4th place is the Caterpillar 6090 FS, successor to the legendary Bucyrus RH400, which for years was considered the largest mining excavator in the world. The CAT 6090 FS is more than 20 meters tall and weighs 980 tons. It weighs 980 tons, more than 50 times the weight of a fully occupied coach. Third place goes to the almost 21-meter-tall Caterpillar 7495 HF. The electric cable excavator weighs 1,435 tons. The monster has a maximum output of 5,317 HP. The excavator can lift more than 100 tons of weight in just one bucket. Second place is the big brother of the third-placed machine. The Dragline 8750 from Caterpillar is 90 meters high and weighs 7,500 tons, making it a true giant. According to the manufacturer, the machine will last for around 40 years if used daily. Last but not least, the RB293 is as heavy as 25-passenger aircraft and as high as a skyscraper. The largest machine in the world has 6,745 HP and a top speed of just 10 meters per minute. The shovel excavator was built by MAN and Takrith for RWE Power AG and is used to mine brown coal. This huge machine is absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.